She needs to turn over a little more when it's time, so that both layers, and one of them yells at her. Yeah, she moves a little, but then they'll yell at her. See how they're coming? See how these guys are going to come? Those guys. Well, they will. But see, she's not, okay, now. Okay, now you can hear her. Okay, and they'll wake up. They'll come running. Yeah. Actually, I'm pretty surprised that they're...
These guys are missing out.
Not bad. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't do that. It's okay. Just keep playing. Let's go. Okay, so they'll find their place. And usually when it gets faster and faster, Mom usually waits, but it gets faster and faster.
How about the never go for the never devil?
No, they have their own.
So that one's not used.
No, that's right, because she has 14 nipples and she only has 8 babies. Okay, so now sometimes she's really a turkey. She'll call them to dinner and then not feed them.
Oh.
And so hopefully, okay, but you hear it faster, 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 faster. They should be getting now. Watch their mouth. They should be there, just waiting. And then as soon as she lets it down, then. Oh yeah,
That one's smart. He's going
yeah,
between
yeah,
two.
but it's not giving anything. Okay, here we go. Now are they drinking as fast as they can drink?
Yeah.
Okay, and then again, the first sign of movement, that's it. Yeah, that's all. For the next hour.
That one he's switching off and the other one.
Yeah, but they're done now. There's nothing more coming in.
He said, that's my nipple. Did you tell him?
Yeah, that's about right. But see, now they are just playing. These are now only pacifiers. They're just laying there, some of them might lay there and go to sleep. She'll turn over pretty soon. Said enough's enough.
Yeah.
Does it look like it would hurt? Some of those guys go.
That's why it's really best at first while, I think.
How old are these? They will be 2 weeks on Friday.